Hello boys and girls, ladies and gents, welcome to another cocktail vlog. Today is a beautiful day. My name is Johnny, this is Simple Drinks. Well, I think you can guess what we are making today here. Looking at all these ingredients, yes boys and girls, it's the AMF time, the popular Adios Motherf. This is a drink that was invented in America in 1980s. It's a variation of the Long Island iced tea. It was very popular at the time and it regained its popularity back around 2016. So without further ado, let's crack straight into it. AMF is a very potent drink. We got vodka, gin, white rum, tequila, blue curacao, sweet and sour mix, and lemon lime soda, Sprite 7-Up, whichever you prefer. You can play around with measurements, but today we're sticking with 3/4 of an ounce, 22.5 mils of everything, but of course you can use half an ounce, 15 mils, or a full ounce, full shot, whichever you prefer. I leave it up to you, but be careful, this thing is too strong, so take it easy. We're going to start with vodka, 22.5 mils, 3/4 of an ounce, followed by gin, same amount, 3/4 of an ounce, 22.5 mils, followed by white rum, 3/4 of an ounce, 22.5 mils, tequila, you know the drill, same amount, 3/4 of an ounce, followed by blue curacao. You can see where this is heading, of course. And sweet and sour mix, 22.5 mils. Now, of course, you can build this drink in a glass, but I'll give it a little shake just to combine the ingredients together. Now add ice to your shaker. And shake the cocktail for 10 to 12 seconds. Beautiful. Take a highball glass, fill it with ice. And strain the cocktail over ice. Top it up with lemon lime soda. Let's give it just a tad more ice. Garnish with a lemon wheel and add a straw. And that's it, ladies and gents, the AMF Adios Motherf. Cheers! Oh, this definitely doesn't hide the alcohol like the Long Island iced tea, but it's tasty, quite strong but tasty. Yeah, definitely take it easy with this one. Ladies and gents, that was the AMF, the popular Adios Motherf Lover cocktail. Easy to make but very potent drink. Be careful. Let me know in the comments below what you think. If you enjoyed the video, hit that like button. Thank you very much for your support and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.